Hello. Alright. Sorry. Okay, where am I? I'm working on the amiibo cards. This is finally happening. I've had them for ages, and I opened up two series that I had. I might edit today, or I might not edit today, and then just record more tomorrow, and have so much to edit, it's not even funny. It's really not that much, though, let's be real. I used to power through, like, game footage, which takes way longer and way more work than my amiibo card openings, let's be real. That's pretty simple. Anyway, some tricks that help. But, mostly just knowing the deal with it, that's a good thing. Anyway, Sahara was visiting yesterday, so I went to Harv's, mostly because I also had a radio I had to customize. But we'll check Sahara, and then we'll call it a day. Alright, today's the day. I'm feeling it. I'm no longer feeling it. Alright, that's it for today. I need to clean my inventory, but that'll wait for tomorrow. See you then!